Falcon 10 private jet. The Falcon 10 private jet is an early corporate jet developed by French aircraft manufacturer Dassault. Despite its numbering sequence, it was actually developed after the Falcon 20. Production began in 1971 and ceased by the late 1980s, but it remains a popular business jet on the U.S. market. The Falcon 10 private jet has a passenger capacity of 7 with a partial lavatory and has a baggage capacity of 40.2 square feet. Its range is 1,760 miles with a top airspeed of 520 miles per hour. Visit luxuryrentaldirectory.com and search for listing ID 1894 to charter your ride in the Falcon 10 private jet today.